Okay, quick update on the spring plates. Turns out I'm an idiot, and the way I have them mounted in there is wrong. So this is what we were talking about. This plate, if you mount it that way, becomes hung up in the round hole for the original strut top bushing. Turns out this plate's not supposed to be on top. This is supposed to be underneath. So let's see if we can't rectify that situation real quick here. Down there. That's going to go up through here like that. And this one will be a little trickier because the fender well cover is kind of in the way. Tricky to get in too. Okay. Oops. This one will be hard to get in, so we'll get this one in first. We had to pull. There's a plastic nut right about here at the top of the fender well cover, and pulled that out, pulled it down, pulled the cover down out of the way so we could get this up in there. So there we go. That part's in. So it should go in a little easier. There we go. So there you go. That's the way it's supposed to be in there. Now we've got, loosen that up a little bit. Oh, that's right, I tightened those, I forgot. Tighten them pretty tight too. There we go. Oh baby. This is the caster the camber adjustment. So as you can see, well, we still can't get to, oh, yeah we can. Still kind of limited in the hole here, so these are slightly loose right now, and that should be your your caster adjustment. This is less caster, that's more caster. If you have it kind of in the middle, which is where we're going to put it, you actually can get this just about lined up with the 0 mark. So yeah, we're going to go right around in here somewhere with it, and that should be that. And the shocks, they're on their way, so should be here next week. So we won't be driving it this weekend, but next weekend we'll get to do all this fun stuff about putting the new shocks on it and adjusting our spring plates, and yeah, I guess we'll have to do some alignment work. But that's okay. It's not that bad. It should be awesome when we're done.